create a vision, share the vision, let people know what you're doing, let your family know what you're doing, let your investors know what you're doing, so you can get that guidance and be
Yes.
very clear about it, because
Mhm.
it's also something you're not going to do alone. Like, there's a good chance that some of these deals you're going to bring your family in with you. You're going to bring friends
Totally.
in with you,
Totally.
and that
Totally.
also spreads some of the risk. When you're mentioning the
Yeah.
things you're doing, a lot of times having other people in it makes it easier for that deal to go through faster. A lot of deals
Yes.
don't get funded, right? So that's something that we got to talk about. Many deals
Yeah.
out there do not get funded. They start the deal, the fund gets ready to go, and then they don't hit their caps, and so the deal ends up
Yes.
going to somebody else. So
Yes.
sometimes you give the soft commit, you think your money's going to get allocated, and then it doesn't. So passive lenders actually have, or passive investors have, an opportunity to bring in and almost solidify and guarantee the deal by bringing other investors. How does
Yes.
somebody how does somebody pitch a deal to their family? Because I see this fail all the time, right? All the time. People are like, oh man, I love
Oh,
this. So I talked to my brother and they couldn't get it. It's not for them. Why is it that family and friends tend to do absolutely terrible at pitching deals when they are actively invested inside of a deal?
it's interesting what you just said. It's like you really know the person so well. And if your track record with the family is not that strong, guess what? It's going to hinder you. I'm telling you, unless you show them that you have mastered and this is where you have gone and you have gotten certifications or you have joined some, big coach or mentorship program. I'm telling you, it's so important to invest that 120,000 that I invested, making millions now, right? Because of that small investment. The key thing is you got to be trying your PowerPoint presentation, which we'll give it to you for free today. DM Brother Walter or me, and or just text,
Drop a comment
right?
below.
Yeah, comment below. Just tell us your email address. We'll ship it to you. Nothing. Nobody will call you or anything. You could just get it for free. The key thing is you got to take active role in taking your dollars wherever they are to grow because inflation is 3-4%. I know they say 2.6%, but it's 6-7%.
I
Go
remember
look at.
not too long ago it was 6, 7, 8%.
Yeah,
So
I know.
it does that. Like, it goes
Well,
up big spikes.
totally, totally. I mean, look at gas station over here. It's 5.89 per gallon. When I go to Texas, it's $1.99. So California inflation is much higher than any other place anyway. But the thing is, you got to be actively showing your family what you have learned. This is your model. This is the worksheet that my coach gave me. I've been attending his, mentoring sessions and invite them in. I had 27 people. I had 14 people yesterday. There are so many people are flocking to come into, and I give them 4 lessons free. Come in there, check us out. If you like that, great, stay. If you do, that's okay too. But the key thing is you got to tell your family I am learning this skill. And that's how I did it, by the way, and show them the proof and show them the PowerPoint presentation. They will really, really, really like you because they know you're learning it, that you won't blow their money. The reason they don't give you credits or, time of the day is because they don't understand how much you have mastered the material. That's the key thing.